The Huawei Mate 80 Pro RS Ultimate comes with 6.9 inches Full HD plus dual-layer LTPO OLED display, 120Hz, and basalt-tempered Kunlun Glass 3 protection. Rear cameras 50-megapixel main, plus 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, plus 50-megapixel periscope telephoto and 40-megapixel. Ultra-wide with 4K video, 13-megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Kirin 9030 Pro, 6nm. Chipset. It runs on Harmony OS 6.0. Comes with 20GB of RAM and 512GB, 1TB. Storage, no microSD. Comes backed by a 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt charging, measures 8.25mm thickness and 249 grams weight, and colors black, white, and purple. Other features includes side fingerprint sensor, face unlock, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 11,999 Chinese yuan for the 20GB plus 512GB model.